What's up, guys? We got a pretty windy day today. Oh dang, that thing's going nuts up there. That one's getting a lot of wind up there. So are these. I got some of them tied up just because they kind of make a lot of noise. My mom complains if there's like a million wind chimes going nuts outside. But a little change here. So this one actually fell and broke and I had to fix it. Let me see if I can show you how it broke. It's hard to tell, but it fell and the top plastic cracked, and then this tube, since it cracked, the tube fell off. So I had to kind of like secure the plastic back together, and then I was able to, you can see it cracked. Then I put the string back through, but should hold up for now. If it cracks again, I'm gonna like glue it, and worst comes to worst, I can just find another plastic disc and just re-string the whole top. That wouldn't be too hard on this one. But yeah, she's still holding up good. Right when I start filming though, of course the wind stops. This one was ringing a lot. I'm still looking for another spot to hang this. I want to put it in the front, but I'm just so limited because it's so heavy, and I don't want to put it on like a little branch and then, you know, the branch snaps. Because this thing has like snapped a lot of branches. This one also like fell or something. I had it in like a weird spot over there, and then a wind gust knocked it off. So I put it in a more secure spot here. I don't really care too much about this one. Oh, here we go, here's a gust. This one's going too. That one gets a lot of wind up there. The tube's a little lopsided. I might have to fix that. Not a big deal though. Yeah, the Costco ones are tied up right now because these make, especially this one, makes a ton of noise. The tube's looking a little like sun faded. Yeah, this one's definitely seen its age a little. It's starting to fade and get the marks. That one's still tied up, but I like hanging these two together because they're both in the key of C, so they go together. Like this is an octave high or something, like, and then this one is lower. So I think I'm gonna keep those two together. I think that's a perfect spot for them. And then that one's gonna stay up there for now. Go to the front, see if the 60-inch and the mezzo are ringing. Gotta go all the way to the front. All the snow's gone. We've had some like 70, 75 degree days consistently. So hopefully the snow, I'm pretty sure the snow is all done for the season, which I'm happy about. And the mezzo is, I'm trying to figure out how to get, this is like sap, I think, that is stuck on here. I'm trying to figure out how to get this sap off, but it's like super hard to get off. So I might do like a cleaning or a, you know, touch up of this one when I have more time. Other than that sap, it's in good shape. There's really nothing, like the strings are still good. There's no scuffs. I mean, there's a couple scuffs on the paint, but Nothing too crazy for it being a used musical spheres. As long as it sounds good and is not like totally wrecked, that's all I really care about. 60 inches. Sorry the video ended. I got another phone call. My boy was calling me, so. Oh, the 60-inch stopper. This was going. This was ringing good, but of course it stopped. Whatever. Got the crocuses bloom. Oh, he's calling me again. I bet he had to call me back. He was picking up an office chair for me that I asked him to pick up. So yeah, we got the 60-inch. It's not ringing, but. I think technically, since this is older, this would be considered the 55-inch, but I measured it and it's like 59 inches, so I don't know why they changed the inches. It's the same exact wind chime. So it's the 60-inch to me, so. So that's about it. Stay tuned this week. I'm probably gonna do my paranormal encounter video. I've been putting it off a while just because I've been so busy with like doing stuff for college and other random crap. So hopefully that'll be out by like Wednesday at the latest. So thanks for watching, guys.